Hey, if you have an Allwinner A13 tablet, whether that be a 7-inch or a 10-inch, and your jack is broken for whatever reason, your power cord won't charge with this little round plug, there's actually an easy fix to that. As you can see, most of the Allwinners come with a power adapter that looks like this. And I just stumbled across this just a minute ago because I had my smartphone, my Boost mobile phone, right beside me. As you can see there, it's charging, right? But for whatever reason, if the jack breaks, try to use this other input. Sometimes what's common sense is not necessarily commonly practiced, and this kind of charger goes on a myriad of different telephones, different electrical inputs, like the Boost Mobile, Samsung. I can think of 100 different telephones that it would go with, and of course it to the socket right beside it. Check this out, and there you go. So that's an easy fix if your jack on your Allwinner A13 tablet breaks. You got the one right beside it. Just get you a power adapter for that one. Like magic.